Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 10.4, and today I'll show you how you can insert SD card into this tablet. Now for this you will need a SIM eject tool, which I have one right here. It comes provided with the device somewhere between like the paperwork, so you can grab it from there. Now if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. So now that we get that ready, let's take off the case if you have any. If you don't, then just wait till I manage to get it off. There we go. So once you take off the case, you will find the tray is located on the, I guess, the right side, the opposite of the volume keys, basically. So right here. And what you want to do is simply grab the tool, push it in, and you can see that the tray came out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it, take it out. Now for me, I only have space for a SD card. Presumably there might be a version of this with an LTE alternative, which in this case you would have the SD card like I do, but this filled out space would be then cut out for a SIM card, so you could place one on it. But like you can see, mine only takes the SD. Anyway, once you place your card on the tray, pop it back into the device, and the card should start working right away. So there we go. So the memory card is referring to the SD card. So anyway, as you can see, it is working, and that is how you would insert it into this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.